Is Peachtree throwing a stopped working party on your Windows 7 machine, crashing your accounting workflow? Let's fix that right now. First, make sure you're running a version of Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, that's actually compatible with Windows 7. Outdated versions can cause major headaches, so visit the Sage website and check their compatibility charts. Next, let's update Peachtree. Go to your control panel, click on Programs, then Programs and Features. Find your Peachtree installation, right-click it, and select Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updates. If updating doesn't do the trick, it's time for a repair. Go back to Programs and Features, right-click on your Peachtree installation again, but this time select Repair. Let the repair process run its course. This can fix corrupted files. Now, let's check your system. Press the Windows key +R, type in Syntho3 and press Enter. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements for Sage 50, especially RAM and processor speed. After each step, restart your computer and try opening Peachtree again. Hopefully, you are back in business. If you're still facing issues, consider visiting the Sage support website for more in-depth troubleshooting or contacting their support team directly. Good luck getting your Peachtree back on track.